In this video, we are going to look at how to perform a statistical test after OLS regression. The stata command test performs Wald tests of linear hypotheses about the coefficients estimates. As we did in previous videos, let's open the National Longitudinal Survey of Women dataset and run an OLS regression of lwage on grade, age, married, union, and race. The regression output provides the t-statistics and the p-values for the t-tests against the value of 0. For example, the grade is statistically significantly different from 0 because of a large t-statistic and a tiny p-value. Its confidence interval does not overlap with the number 0. We can also use the command test. We type test grade equal to 0, and we can see the F statistic and the p-value. The result is identical to the t-test in the output from regression. Notice that the F statistic is equal to the square of the t statistic. Or we can simply type test grade and have the same result. The command test not only tests against 0, but it can also test against other values. For example, to test whether one more grade completed significantly increases the wage by 9%, we can type test grade equal to 0.09. We could not reject the null hypothesis. Test can test joint hypothesis. We can test whether both grade and age are statistically significantly different from 0 by writing the conditions in separate parentheses. An alternative method to specify simultaneous hypotheses uses the convenient shorthand of conditions with multiple equality operators, or just type the variables one by one after the test command. Another thing test can do is to test whether two parameters are equal to each other. For example, there were 3 categories of race, white, black, and others in the data. To test whether the black workers are the same as the others, we type test 2.race equal to 3.race. We reject the null hypothesis that they are equal at the 10% level, but could not reject at the 5% level. After fitting a model and obtaining estimates for coefficients, we can display and test the linear combination of the coefficients by using the command lincom. If we want to know the total effects of grade and union on wage, we can type lincom followed by grade plus 1.union. And there we are. We see that the sum of the effects is 0.27. Educational attainments and union membership together increase the wage by around 27%. And it is statistically significantly different from 0 at the 1% level.